3 minus 5 to the power of 0 and 2 plus 2. 3 minus 5 to the power of 0 equals 5, right? So here is 5 and 2 plus 2. Now 3 minus 5 equals minus 2 and 2 plus 2. So minus 2 and 2 plus 2 equals 4. Here is hidden multiply, so minus 2 times 4 equals minus 8. But this is wrong. Why? Because 5 to the power of 0 is not equal to 5. 5 to the power of 0 is not equal to 0. 5 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, right? So 3 minus 1 and 2 plus 2. So 3 minus 1 and 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now here is multiply, so multiplication must be done before subtraction. So 3 minus 1 times 4 equals 4, and 3 minus 4 minus 1.